I have been doing this for free, of millions of views, millions of likes, hundreds of thousands of comments, and not one red cent earned from it. I have put the word out through vlog and music. TikTok is extremely hostile toward Black content creators. Do your own research. I will be somewhere else where there is no bias system working against me, actually getting paid and earning my worth. So something has to change. No more free, full drops. No more giving everything away. From this point forward, Emulation Guru is moving to subscription only. I have given everything I had to this. Patreon is the only place moving forward. I built this from nothing. I'm not letting it die for free. The next phase is locked in. Patreon only. That's where it continues. If you truly support this, you know where to find me. Emulation Guru is now an official record label. We are taking gaming beyond content into original music built from the culture itself. The free era is over. If you're really rocking with this, prove it. Patreon is where everything lives now. I'll see you there.